Hi, my name is Jefferson Polanía Calderon. I am 23 years old. I work as pharmacy assistant the Neiva Hospital. I am from Neiva. What activity of you ever done? Uh, I had at 7 a.m. and the lights the shower as out and my dot for what? What do you earn from what? I off at bread and eggs and so many and chocolate. Where do you work and how do you have the work? Uh, I am work in a university hospital and normality and comment through for an invoice. Do you fare and work on the lodge when you usually had the lunch? Uh, I not normally prepared and lunch signed. I have light time generally and the what's and the of the menu. What time the you what come up uh, and regular and some usually at 7 p.m. Excuse me. Word the for and the word in school. I'm off the university word. What time you had dinner? Uh, of I had had dinner at 8 p.m. What time me and go to bed? I off slang at 10 p.m. or 11:20 p.m. What do you and of weight? I, I smart why my family siempre. What do you typical of the your city? The typical for and the my city is the Willense route. Thank you.